Do you know whatever your house is an earthquake-resistant building or not? Arguably, one of the most important factors to decrease the damage from earthquakes is building structures that are earthquake-resistant. Now, let us hear someone who experienced the 1999 Marmara earthquake to further understand the importance of earthquake-resistant buildings during an earthquake.
Bu depremi Ataköy'deki evimizde 12. katta tek başıma yaşadım. Gece 3 civarı yatağımın sağa sola doğru sallandığını hissederek uyandım. Uyku sersemliğiyle ne yapacağımı bilemeden apartman şiddetli şekilde sarsılmaya başladı. Hiçbir şey düşünmeden kapı pervazına tutunarak öylece kaldım. Avizeler şakır şakır ses çıkarıyor, dolap içinden yere düşüp kırılan kavanozlar insanı daha da korkutuyordu. Tam depreme hafifledi derken arkadan daha da vurucu hamle geldi. Öyle bir an geldi ki sanki apartman yıkılıp altında kalacağımı düşündüm. Hani derler ya insanın hayatı film şeridi gibi gözünün önünde akar gider diye ben de öyle hissettim.
Let's look at our survey results for the question, is your house earthquake resistant? More than 35% of the people either said no or they don't know. Let's move to what IBB thinks about this issue. Saying that, according to the studies prepared by TÜBİTAK Marmara Research Center, Boğaziçi University Kandilli Observatory, and IBB experts, the probability of an earthquake with magnitude of 7.5 in the next 30 years is 65%. The Istanbul Metropolitan Municipality President İmamoğlu explained the damage that an earthquake will cause in Istanbul, whose population reached 21 million, stating that based on the earthquake and damage loss estimation study carried out by the IBB Directorate of Earthquake and Ground Analysis and Boğaziçi University in 2018, İmamoğlu said according to a devastating 7.5 magnitude earthquake scenario, the number of very heavily and heavily damaged buildings in Istanbul will be 48,000. The number of buildings with medium and higher damage will be 194,000. 22.6% of the buildings will be demolished and 25 million tons of debris will be created. So, how should we build structures that won't demolish from an earthquake? One of the most crucial factors is the material used. In our country, reinforced concrete is used as a material, except for some special cases such as industrial buildings. Due to supply cost and labor problems, the widespread use of steel seems unlikely, at least in the near future. The known flexibility of the steel systems require additional arrangements to limit these displacements, which further increases the construction cost. The insufficiency of steel against fire also determines the material selection. In the light of this stated explanation, it is known that the only option for our country is reinforced concrete in general. In this case, the problem turns into production of sufficient concrete. The problem seems to have been solved to some extent, especially with the spread of ready-mixed concrete in city centers. Although it seems simpler, it is known that the concrete strength increases significantly with the decrease of water-cement ratio using the mixture of concrete. In this direction, intensive research has been done and is being done for the improvement of concrete. With the construction chemicals developed, it ensures that the desired quality is no longer a problem. Self-compacting and high-strength concretes are positive developments in this area. It is observed that the use for all these are gradually becoming widespread in our country, even though it comes a little behind. Another crucial factor is the use of technology. Some of the development technologies are improved mortars, fibers, and self-settling concrete. In building reinforcement, sheeting can often be made with such concrete materials. Important opportunities are provided by the equipment and technologies used in the construction field and are still being developed. This way, the earthquake-resistant building problem has been eliminated. However, in the current structuring system in the Republic of Turkey, despite all the developments, there is a long way to go. The way to achieve this is through the spread of developing technologies. According to the information we gave, to solve the problem of the non-earthquake resistant structures in Istanbul, we should use good quality materials and latest technological methods.